Yep, so the 1994 Jaguar XJS screen scuttle rebuild continues. I haven't done anything significant since the last upload. I still have this area to sort of weld in and repair panels to make. I was tinkering about with a TIG welder, so it's going to take a bit of practice, but what I have managed to do is locate a windscreen. So I managed to locate a windscreen, new, and that's the number on it. It's got the fitting on the inside for the rear view mirror, which is all good. Fitting this panel in though, this is going to give us a bit of a problem, which is why I haven't done anything until I got the screen. The panels, although they're not bad, they need a bit of work. Getting the gap here for the screen to sit on. Obviously all this was taken off rotten, so I can just put the windscreen back in and I can just put the panels back in. So look, I've still got a piece or two of the original bit was intact, so I managed to get the channel here and rig something up as it worked out the gap. This was part of the original, so you know there's a lack of reference points on some of the cart. I think it went about there. So these channels did come in with the scuttle. So, but you see, they will need a little bit of tweaking. But hopefully, now I've got the glass, I can work out the gap round the outside and get that fitted up. So more progress to come. Thank you.